Alrighty, today we are going to work on some addition, and we're learning to make something called friendly numbers to help us. And this is what all good mathematicians do mentally when they're doing math. They learn to use these techniques. So it might look new to you, but you might already be doing some of these things. So let's just have a look at it quickly. So we are learning to split or decompose, which means to split numbers into smaller parts to make addition problems more friendly. And we're going to start by trying to make multiples of 10. And this is where you probably already do it. So let's look at this, 9 plus 7. Most people, when they see this, they think of it like this. 9 is almost at 10, so I'm going to split 7 into 1 and 6. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16, so the answer is 16. That's the way I would think about that one. Let's look at the next one. First, we're going to do a quick estimate. So 28 rounds to 30, 34 rounds to 30 as well. 30 plus 30 is 60 for my quick estimate. Now, how can I make a multiple of 10? There's actually two ways to do this, so I'll show you both ways. Here I've got 28, and I know if I get two more, I can get up to 30. So I'm going to take this 34, and I'm going to split it into 2 and 32. 2 plus 32 is 34, so it's the same number if I just split it into smaller parts. Now, 28 and 2 will give me 30, and 30 plus 32, 62. There it is. Let's just keep going, and here's another one. 47 plus 18. Okay, my rounding is going to be 50 plus 20. My quick estimate is going to be 70. Now, I forgot to show you two ways for the last one, so let's do it this one. 47, I know is close to 50. I need 3 more to get to 50. So I'm going to split 18 into 3 and 15. Now, there's my 50. And 50 plus 15 is 65. The answer is 65. But let me show you another way to do it, and I'll just move this over here. Same problem, 47 plus 18. I could also think that 18 is 2 away from 20, so I could have split this one into 45 and 2, and then 18 and 2 gives me the 20, 20 and the 45 gives me the 65. So there's more than one way to do it. As you can see, I got the same answer. But now, try these next 3 on your own. So go ahead and stop the video if you're watching and do a quick estimate. How would you split 89 or 35? Could you make 89 into 90? Could you make 35 into 40? What would you do to split those? Up to you. I'm going to let you go for it there. And then same thing, how would you split 29 or 62 or 56 and 17? So go ahead and stop the video for a little bit and see if you can do those 3 on your own. Then we'll go to the next step after that. And then the next step is very similar, but now we're looking at multiples of 100. So can we make a multiple of 100? To do this. But first, let's do the estimate. 80 plus 36 rounds to 40. My estimate is 120. 80 is already a 10, so if I split 36 into, think about what do I need to add to 80 to get to 100, and that's going to be 20. So I'm going to split 36 into 20 and 16, and now I've got 100. And the answer is going to be 116. See how quick that is? How about this one over here? 97 and 88. I'm not even going to finish this for you, but I would just split this, move this 3 over, and you've got 100 from there, and then go for it. And I forgot my estimate. My estimate's going to be 190. Down here, and you can even do your estimates here to the 100 if you want. So this would be 200 plus 200. It's going to be 400. how can I make 100 here? Well, I could try to get 14 more, or I could move 60 over here. And if you can do one of those two methods, I'm going to have you go ahead and do that. But if you're really stuck, you could always just break a number